shit like that. Bring that shit back.
Hi sweets, how y'all babies doing today? It is my first time vlogging in a long time, y'all. So if this intro don't make no sense, I'm sorry, you girls. Not accustomed to this anymore, okay? So today I'm doing a photo shoot for my birthday. It's not an actual birthday shoot, but it's a photo shoot that I'm doing for my birthday. So I decided to take you guys along with me, show you guys the get ready process, all that, and then of course actual shoot, and then maybe I'll sneak you some images before the release if this video goes up before my birthday. Alright guys, so stick with me, spend the day with me today. So you guys want to hear a funny story? So this was supposed to be 2 vlogs. I was supposed to like film the get ready with me process, like, you know, like I got a wax, I got my nails done, I got my, you know, I got my eyebrows done. It was a process to get ready, you know. I bought some stuff online, I got some stuff altered. Vlogging is hard, okay? I didn't even remember I was supposed to be vlogging. I didn't vlog half of the thing, so now here we are starting the video on the day of the photo shoot. Because, well, I didn't remember the vlog, y'all. So it's after 9, and I really have to start get going. So I'm about to go in the shower, do some exfoliation, exfoliate my skin so your girl's skin can look radiant. And I need to hurry up because the makeup artist comes at 10. Guys, I'm using a makeup artist. I decided I wasn't gonna do my own makeup. I didn't want the stress, I didn't want the drama. So that's where we are. Okay, so the makeup artist is here. So we're using makeup by Chelsea. It's Chelsea. So she's gonna make me pretty. Let's go. Okay, I forgot to tell you, there's an issue with the studio that we booked. So really I have no idea why I'm putting on this makeup right now because we don't have anywhere to set the photos. But you know, worst to worst, we recorded here. Are you calling me with good news? Yay! Alright guys, here is the finished look. She cute or whatever. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look. Girl look good. But girl obviously look good. Ah! So she did her thing. But like looking at it now, I feel like I just want a little bit more sultriness to the corners of my eye. Just so I wanted a smoky look, but a soft one. But ultimately I want my eye to look like super sultry. So I feel like this eye has a little bit more flair. I just want it to be a little bit more elongated, so I'm just gonna add some more shadows to the outer corner here. I'm gonna just add my little touch to it, but sis did a good job. Also, my hair, I think I waved my hair, and by me I mean I went to the hairdresser and paid for it. So I'm going in, fixing my edges where the makeup touch, and just gonna do some overall finishing touches and see what that looks like. Okay, so that's my edges fixed. I'm so meticulous, it's ridiculous. This is unsustainable.
You're gonna change the eye?
Yeah, I'm gonna change my eye just a little bit. Alright guys, so this is my eye before. And I'm just gonna add just a toops. Just a toops.
The car. No.
See? That's what I was talking about. Just like... And you guys probably can't even tell the difference. But like there's a difference. It's just a me thing. It's a me thing. That's all I can boil this down to. Do you see the difference? You guys really probably cannot see the difference. It is minor, but it makes the world of a difference. That's the best way to put it. It's just that connection of like the depth into the bottom. So it kind of stopped here before. I just kind of extended it out. It gives, I don't know what it does, truthfully. It does something for me. Alright, that's it. Not doing anything more. She did her thing. Alright guys, so we are here in Portmore. We're in Portmore, I have no idea. I just drove behind Jake and ended up here. Couldn't find this place if I wanted to again. But we're here at the studio because, well, the other studio that we booked, there's some construction happening and JPS cut off the lights, and obviously you can't take pictures without light. So, or electricity for persons that aren't Jamaicans that don't know what light is. Whoa! So anyways, we're here
the Pure Studio.
At the Pure Studio to take my shots. Oh,
Thanks.
what would it is?
Just turn on.
Okay, come on, say wow.
And this is the studio. It's not bad. They said the man who needs no introduction.
The man who needs
None other than. My hair look good.
The
though.
Oh,
best
it's cute.
wearer.
It's
The
cute.
hat wearer. Man say here,
My hair
don't
look good. But I'm Jake Ruben. The girl something. I don't know.
Not wrong, little bit of good. Body girl them. What is man?
Alright, so we're ready for the photo shoot. You're gonna do the first one? Okay, is that one or oops. Come again. What's the other one? Show me the other one.
This one. This one.
That one they're out definitely.
I have one more.
So much options there.
Yeah, I found my drawer. Finally. Or this one. Wait.
Oh.
This one heavy though, so it might load. You don't like this one. We added the earrings. I think we made the right choice. It's very buzzy.
Bad and bougie.
Very buzzy. Alright, now for all the fake jewelry. I mean, the ones that don't have actual holes. Not that they're fake. I mean, they are fake.
I mean,
But, you know, they're not fake.
they are fake. But they are fake.
Oh, it's arcade upstairs.
Yeah, buzzes.
I was wrong. I was talking sports bar. Sports bar is that way.
Alright, so we're setting up. Whew. Was this like a slider thingy? No.
No. Instead of just a light stand.
Is that? Wow.
It's fine. We're here to learn.
And you have lots to learn. I even got toe rings.
A long time to see touring, you know.
I thought it would look cute.
A long time to see touring.
Oh goodness!
Hey.
Isn't that adorable?
It is.
And I'm gonna double stack it like a double hole. You know them people were touring a hole? Well, you know, if you grew up Jamaican, your parents would tell you not to wear anklets or toe rings. Today, we're giving them a triple hole.
Turn on the seat now. Alright, stand up. Ready? Clap, clap,
That's a wrap.
clap, clap.
Gang gang.